In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Slides. Pie charts are an excellent way to display data in a clear and engaging manner, enhancing any presentation. They help your audience quickly grasp proportions and comparisons within your data. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Slides. Sign in with your Google account to access your saved work anywhere. If not signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once on the homepage, you can start a blank presentation or choose a template that fits your needs. A blank presentation is ideal if you want a fresh design, while templates can help incorporate pre-existing themes. With your presentation open, navigate to the Insert tab at the top menu. Hover over Chart, then select Pie. Google Slides will automatically place a basic pie chart on your slide. At this point, the chart is just a template. To customize it, click on the chart and select the small link to edit in Google Sheets. Replace the placeholder data with your own numbers. You can add more categories or remove unnecessary ones to better reflect your data set. Changes made in Google Sheets will automatically update in your Google Slides presentation. You can adjust colors, labels, and percentages to make your chart visually appealing and easy to read. Try using contrasting colors for different slices to highlight key data points. You can also resize the chart by dragging its corners, making sure it fits well with other slide elements. Adding a clear title above the chart helps the audience understand what the data represents at a glance. Consider adding a short caption or legend to explain the slices further if needed. And there you have it, a complete pie chart created and tailored to your needs. This is perfect for business meetings, classrooms, or any situation where you need to communicate data clearly. With this skill, you can create data-driven presentations that are both engaging and easy to understand. For even more impact, combine your pie chart with other visuals, like icons or images that relate to the data. You can also animate the chart slices for dynamic presentations that capture attention. Regular practice in customizing charts will make your presentations more professional and visually appealing. Happy presenting!